Test your English level. Designed for A1 learners. Part 2. This test consists of 30 questions that assess your understanding of English at the beginner level. For the following questions, 1 to 30, choose A, B, or C. Look at those men over there. Do you recognize them? These cookies smell nice. Where does your brother work? Which sentence is correct? I love your brother's new look. Please, be quiet. I'm watching a movie. Were you at the office this morning? I forgot to call Lisa. I need to call her now. When I was a child, I didn't have a bike. There weren't any people in the streets. Were there any problems during the event? Shall we go to the cinema this evening? I can't, sorry. I'm afraid I have to work late. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the world. What are you going to watch tonight? I don't know. Maybe a horror film. That is a very expensive painting. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. She is a wonderful singer. Her music is the best. My sister doesn't travel a lot. Your car keys are on the table. What are you watching? A football match. What do you do? I'm a doctor. Don't go there. It's very dangerous. What time did Laura arrive? Would you like some tea? Yes, please. We don't have any sugar. There was a very nice painting on the wall. We don't have much time. Are you going to see your friends this evening? She sings beautifully. She has a nice voice. He takes his son to football practice every day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this test, please like the video, share your score and thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tests. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.